If you think the food isn't cooked through, use a probe to check its internal temperature to tell if it's fully done. While the machine is running, you need to tap the display area first. Then turn the knob to adjust the temperature and time correctly. If it's undercooked, turn the knob clockwise to increase the temperature or time. If it's overcooked, turn the knob counterclockwise to decrease the temperature or time. If no time is set, the machine will run for 90 minutes by default and then enter standby mode. Keep your hands off the lid while the machine is operating to avoid burns. If a fault is detected, the machine will keep beeping and display a fault code as follows. Don't disassemble the appliance yourself if you can't find the problem. Contact an authorized service center instead.